Good day, welcome to Multinet Design and the continuation of our George residential design that we are designing on the Revit architecture 2023. So in the last one we were able to create this part of elevation, but we realized that we have not done the outside side of this elevation to complete the whole process. So that's the one we want to do. But before then, this is what we have in the foundation, and we should be able to have given a little bit of dimension to those people who want to follow us and create something. So we have already created the partitional part, but this grid line, I want to dimension it and give you something. How to dimension grid line as quick as possible. Now this is the method. Click on annotate, select align method. So from the align method, just pick up the entire wall and choose option. What you need to do is to choose just grid line intersect. So you don't need anything to do with opening, just click like that. So you select this, can you see? So you pick up the grid line alone. So but if you have issue with this particular way of attempting to it, because it's picking the wall halfway, which some of you may not like or may not want. So what you just need to do is to change it back to the optional elements, which is what wall interaction and opening or whatsoever you want to do. Just change it back and it will be done. So what I need here is to change back to the reference line. So just select the whole grid. So it's grid to grid now, dimension for everyone who willing to learn that procedure as fast as possible. So this is for you. You can just learn it in your home bit way and continue to work with the project. So I'm done with this particular one now. You can use this one, apply to the first floor and apply to everywhere that is the grid is way and things like that. So for me now, let's just move to the point of today, which is the elevation activities. So here we click here, and I'm going to select this video that one, select entire project something here. So edit this completely. So from here you select all on this side, and then you click on mirror. So you mirror everything using this that middle line, grid line. So you move this one, say move to from this edge and drop it to this edge. Good. So it's going to be visible. So I want to copy the same thing here. So copy, then because I'm doing it twice, even twice, because I'm still going to rotate to the front elevation, which is going to come in perfection. So I've done with this one. I'll go to west elevation. At the west elevation, allow the thing to load. So from there now we start working on everything in detail. So here we've done this. So delete this particular one, don't need you. So no, yes, we don't need that. No, return this, return it, go to save. So delete this particular one. So let this one retain itself. So as we have done with this, click here and say edit. So at the editing point, so just align this, click align. So start creating every other aspect that you need that needed to be created. So select that, then click here. Yeah, sorry, Control search, click there, then move. And then move. So that is this for that area. So you select this and say, so from here now this has served as a object of what. So I'm leaving this, so I'm going to delete the one that I'm not in need of, then start using the remaining one to finish up the work and the project. So copy this and start pasting them from middle to middle. So much faster, much enabling, much quicker. where is the line to put? So I need to put it here as well. I'm going to put it here. So those are the area that those things are needed, so I'm removing it. So here, let me copy this window or move it from middle just to the middle. So shift it down, then you copy here and drop it here. So that is it. So you click finish, continue, not done, something is happening, click here and say okay. So you look around, so at this below, this is where we have issue. So click there, you are done with that. So you can click this one and delete it, it's not needed at that much. So this one is what we need to create again. So here is another one. So edit, we're going to go to level 2 or level 1. So let's edit this. So edit this particular one, edit, then west elevation, edit it. So at this junction, what we need to do is to improve this one by moving it, centralize it here. I think it's blue now. So delete these ones because they are being used for our design and activities. So select this one and move it to place. So after which you have done, and select and then select. So you move this to satisfy you. Something further down. Okay, what I need to do, select this, delete one of this, and then bring this one down with this. So edit again. You can now align this to this before you now finish it up. So finish. Good. It's not over yet. So go to your 3D and see the pattern in which all of them are taken. So this one has taken this pattern. So I'm going to do what? Now work on this one to allow them to fit in for the project and the purpose in which they are there. So let's say west elevation. So at the west elevation, this is going to go. Then this one is going to go as well. But these two will retain themselves. Good. So as of that, retain the self. So you go to ground floor, click finish. So we're going to move this and move it back. So that is it. You can check it on 3D and see how far. Yes, it's stable. So you do the same thing for this one as well. Edit in place. So go to west. So arrange everything in details so to suit and fit in with what we have done. So select this, delete, select this, delete, move this one, move this one to back. Good. So shift it. So what you do now is to move from the middle, copy. So take it from the middle and drop it wherever you feel the idea is fitted. So you drop it around. I think I'm done with that. Good, everything is stable. So we move this one again. So move, take it from the middle, drop it here, then click copy. Go to this point, copy there. So select this and adjust it there. So click finish. So that is what we need to do at this particular arrangement of the purpose of junction. So we're done with this one now. So what we just need to do is to mirror this again, then change the material. So go to level 1. So you just say mirror with copy. So here you just say 90 degree. So you take this and move it back and put it here at the exact edge of it. So we'll say edit extrusion and go to south elevation. And the south elevation, all you just need is to remove this. So align this, remove the window. So then align everything to this point. So at that junction, what I just need to do, with that what I need. So go to 3D and see the follow up what I've created. So what I need to create is to align this. Good. So align this. Beautiful. So that is what I need. So as I've done with that now, I will just like go back to the south elevation. From there I start working on certain level, like creating a gap. So the gap is going to be created. So we've done the gapping. Let's select this, select that. What I do is copy here now. Push it. So I leave it at that 3. So I will create so move it 3. Or say continue. So beautiful. So when you go to 3D, you see what we've done. So at this level now, you select this and change this material. I'm clicking on the materials enablement. So here you click here and say duplicate. So in the duplicate, change the material entirely and select something like siding for it. So click here and say siding. So the siding, I'm choosing the black smooth board. So that's what I want to use. I like to at least update to feel the way it looks. So from there now, it's good to for representation. So click here and see the work well done. So that is how the elevation looks like. So check it from the elevation, which is here. Yes, now you click finish to enable everything accurately. So now I want to select a perspective camera that will capture the front. So I'm selecting it from the level 1. So you choose this one as a camera, pick it here. From the distance, you select, so you go to the middle, that's representing the middle. So you pick it up from here now, you drop at the back where you go beyond the fencing. So click there, can you see? So expand this, then move this up again, and then this one. So for me, it didn't capture the full excessiveness. So when you are setting the camera, you look at the dialog. This is the height elevation, which is too high. So I'm going to turn it back to something like 100. The same thing, something like 100, because I wanted to capture the front view. Good. So it captures it like more than below and shift it up. So that is it. What you have done in this position. So here now you just like change it to realistic and feel what it looks like. So that is it. So most of it has been done, and that is what we have created at this level. So if you want to fill from other side too, you can call this one Fire 2. That's because I'm going to render it as well. Fire 2. So I'm going to take the shot camera, which is of this side. So here is the third camera. I'm going to pick and I will work on it. So if I pick from shots, fence is going to be a little bit of blocking for me, but I don't bother about that. So set again, I'm going to reduce it to 100, reduce this one to 100 as well. So I want them to be captured from below to the level of highness. So push it up. So select this one now and say hide the element. So the element is going to be hidden, and then it allows you and permits you to work your magic as you deem fit. So seem to fit. We turn this one back a bit, then expand this to front. So that's how the moment. It's a rule of two thirds in a Revit. So I mean in camera. So that is the rule. So that's what we're going to do, and select that. We say save, and everything is done and save and in the keeping pattern. So this is all what we have done. This is how we have created all this one. So we set for rendering now and set ourselves on agenda of using Fire completely. So you can rename this one and rename it Fire 3. So that is just the source, because we are going to render everything in